Today I have a new package. Boya mini microphone for iPhone, iPad. How about Android? That's it. Oh, there is a little bag. Wow, so soft. USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, and that's it. Let's check. This is the main body. Wow, it's so tiny. This is my AirPods Pro 2. You see the size? Pretty similar. 1, 2, 3. This is for Lightning iPhone. Wow, it's so tiny. So light. And this is my DJI Mic 2. Let's do this. Can you see them? No, that means these two are smaller than this one. All right, guys, this is DJI Mic 2. This is Boya. This is the paper clip. And this is Boya microphone. If I wear this on my shirt, can you see it? It's so light. I can shake, no problem. Now you're hearing me from the Pocket 3 beginner microphone. And now I'm going to plug in Boya microphone. I will not stop this. See if you can feel the difference. Test, test. Can you hear me? How about now? Feel better? Can you hear the difference from Pocket 3 just now? And now I'm using Boya microphone. I can hide this microphone on my hand. Maybe I can click it. If it's black, you know, I choose the white version. If it's black, maybe I can put it on my hair and you cannot notice that. And I will not do this because it's the white color. For more information, follow me, subscribe this channel. I'll show you more. All right, guys, peace.